The intriguing world of quiet individuals. 12 fascinating psychology facts. Embark on a captivating exploration into the psychology of quiet people. In this comprehensive whiteboard animated video, we unveil 12 intriguing psychological facts that shed light on the unique characteristics, strengths, and mysteries surrounding individuals who prefer a quieter existence. Glowing star 1. The power of listening. Quiet individuals often excel in active listening, absorbing information thoroughly before expressing their thoughts. This skill enhances communication and fosters deeper connections. Glowing star 2. Thoughtful decision-making. Research suggests that introverted individuals tend to make thoughtful and deliberate decisions, leveraging their reflective nature to analyze situations before taking action. Glowing star 3. Creativity flourishes in silence. Quiet individuals frequently tap into their creative reservoirs during moments of solitude. The absence of external stimuli allows their imagination to thrive. Glowing star 4. Depth in relationships. Quiet individuals may have fewer friends, but their relationships often boast greater depth and intimacy. They value meaningful connections over a large social circle. Glowing star 5. The power of observation. Quiet individuals are keen observers, noticing details that others might overlook. This heightened observational skill contributes to their insightful perspectives. Glowing star 6. Independent thinkers. Many quiet individuals display a strong sense of independence in thought and action, valuing self-reliance and autonomy. Glowing star 7. Cognitive empathy. Introverted individuals often exhibit high levels of cognitive empathy, allowing them to understand and navigate complex social situations with sensitivity. Glowing star 8. Preference for deep conversations. Quiet individuals gravitate towards deep, meaningful conversations, valuing discussions that stimulate intellectual and emotional engagement. Glowing star 9. Strength in solitude. Contrary to common misconceptions, many quiet individuals find strength, inspiration, and rejuvenation in moments of solitude. Glowing star 10. The introvert's social battery. Social interactions, while enjoyable, may deplete the energy of introverted individuals. They require periods of solitude to recharge their social batteries. Glowing star 11. Humility and modesty. Quiet individuals often display humility and modesty, preferring to let their actions speak louder than words. Glowing star 12. Personal growth through reflection. The reflective nature of quiet individuals contributes to ongoing personal growth. Regular self-reflection is a cornerstone of their psychological well-being. Rocket conclusion. Join us as we unravel the rich tapestry of the psychology of quiet individuals, celebrating their unique strengths and contributions to the diverse landscape of human personality. Discover the beauty and depth that lies within the quiet corners of the human psyche. Globe #quiet people #psychology facts #whiteboard wisdom #personality traits brain. The intriguing world of quiet individuals